Can you read English?
Yes, I can.
Can you understand everything?
Yes, I can understand everything.
What should you do to understand better?
I should study more every day.
Can you practice speaking English?
Yes, I can practice speaking with my friends.
Should I help you practice?
Yes, you should help me.
When can we practice together?
We can practice after school.
Can we meet tomorrow to study?
Yes, we can meet tomorrow at 6 a.m.
What must we bring to study?
We must bring notebook and pen.
Can we use the internet for studying?
Yes, we can use the internet to find information.
Should we take notes while studying?
Yes, we should take notes to remember better.
What can we do to improve our English faster?
We can speak more in English every day.
Can you listen to English music to practice?
Yes, I can listen to English music.
Should we watch English movie too?
Yes, we should watch English movie too. Practice listening.
Can we talk in English while watching movie?
Yes, we can talk about the movie in English.
When should we watch a movie?
We should watch a movie in the evening.
Can we talk about the movie after watching it?
Yes, we can talk about the movie to improve our speaking.
What must we do to remember new words?
We must repeat them every day.
Should we write the new words in a notebook?
Yes, we should write new words to remember them.
Can we ask questions if we don't understand?
Yes, we can always ask questions.
What should we do if we make mistakes?
We should learn from them and keep practicing.
Can we go to the park after studying?
Yes, we can go to the park after studying.
What should we bring to the park?
We should bring a ball to play.
Can we play a game at the park?
Yes, we can play football at the park.
Can you play football?
Yes, I can play football.
Should we invite our friends to join us?
Yes, we should invite them to play with us.
Can we bring snacks to the park?
Yes, we can bring some snacks to share.
When can we go to the park?
We can go in the afternoon when it's not too hot.
Can we ride bikes in the park?
Yes, we can ride bikes in the park.
Should we stay at the park for a long time?
No, we should stay for about an hour.
Can we walk around the park too?
Yes, we can walk around to enjoy the view.
What can we do if we get tired?
We can sit and rest on the bench.
Can we take pictures in the park?
Yes, we can take the pictures to remember the day.
What should we do before leaving the park?
We should clean up any trash and leave the park tidy.
Can we visit the park every weekend?
Yes, we can visit the park every weekend.
Should we invite more people next time?
Yes, we should invite more friends to join us.
Can we go shopping after the park?
Yes, we can go shopping after the park.
What should we buy at the store?
We should buy some fruits and vegetables.
Can you carry the shopping bags?
Yes, I can carry the bags.
Should we buy some snacks too?
Yes, we should buy some snacks for later.
Can we get ice cream at the store?
Yes, we can get ice cream for dessert.
Should we get a shopping cart?
Yes, we should get a cart to carry everything.
What can we do if we don't find something?
We can ask a store employee for help.
Can we pay with cash or card?
We can pay with both cash or card.
Should we check the price before buying?
We should check the price first.
Can we buy some gifts for our friends?
Yes, we can buy gifts for our friends.
What should we do if we don't have enough money?
We should choose something cheaper or save some money.
Can we visit another store after this?
Yes, we can visit another store if we need more things.
Should we leave now or later?
We should leave now because it's getting late.
Can we go home after shopping?
Yes, we can go home after shopping.
What must we do when we get home?
We must put everything away and relax.
Can we cook dinner tonight?
Yes, we can cook dinner tonight.
What should we make for dinner?
We should make pasta and salad.
Can you help me chop the vegetables?
Yes, I can help you chop the vegetables.
Should we start cooking now?
Yes, we should start cooking now before it gets late.
Can we use olive oil for cooking?
Yes, we can use olive oil for cooking.
What must we do first?
We must boil the water for the pasta first.
Should we add salt to the water?
Yes, we should add some salt to the water. Can we make the salad while the pasta cooks? Yes, we can make the salad while the pasta cooks.
What should we put in the salad?
We should put tomatoes, cucumber, onions in the salad.
Can we add dressing to the salad?
Yes, we can add dressing to make it taste better.
Should we stir the pasta?
Yes, we should stir the pasta so it doesn't stick.
Can we cook the pasta for 10 minutes?
Yes, we can cook it for about 0.10 minutes.
What must we do when the pasta is done?
We must drain the water and add the sauce.
Can we add cheese on top of the pasta?
Yes, we can add some cheese for extra flavor.
Should we eat now or wait?
We should eat it now because it's ready.
Can we drink juice with dinner?
Yes, we can drink juice or water.
What must we do after eating?
We must clean the table and wash the dishes.
Can we eat dessert after dinner?
Yes, we can eat dessert after dinner.
Should we have ice cream for dessert?
Yes, we should have some ice cream for dessert.
Can we bake a cake tomorrow?
Yes, we can bake a cake tomorrow for fun.
Can we go to the movies this weekend?
Yes, we can go to the movie this weekend.
What movie should we watch?
We should watch funny movie.
Can we buy popcorn at the theatre?
Yes, we can buy popcorn at the theatre.
Should we arrive early to get good seats?
Yes, we should arrive early to get best seats.
Let's go to watch new movie?
Sure, let's go.
Do you have time?
Of course, I am free.
Please don't forget to subscribe to
My channel.